Here we are going to understand the square wave voltage inverter principle. This is a simplified circuit of an inverter using 4 switches. 5 volts DC source is used as input. Let's turn on S1 and S2. It will create positive 5 volts at output. Then turn off S1 and S2. Turn on S3 and S4. Then the output becomes minus 5 volts. Repeat the same switching sequence again and again. Let's check the output voltage waveform. The circuit is generating nearly sinusoidal AC output. We can see the square wave shape due to addition of odd harmonics to the fundamental. We can analyze the waveform using Fourier series. Subscribe, Curiousa channel. To get notifications, click the bell icon. Thank you for watching.